Hey everyone, how's it going? So in honor of the Super Bowl, I thought it'd be fun to show you guys how to draw a fun cartoon football. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon football, we're going to begin over here and we're going to make a nice big line that's going to curve up and down. So we're going to kind of do this at an angle. So we want to start here. Let's draw a line that's going to come up, then it kind of curves down a little bit. Next, starting here, we want to kind of round off the ends. They're going to be kind of pointed, but it's kind of like a round point. So we're just going to kind of bring this down. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to bring it up here. Starting here, we're going to make the stripes on our football. So let's begin by drawing a curved line that just goes down to here. Then we'll draw another little line that's just going to curve down here. Let's do the same thing here. We're going to curve them the same way. So we're going to start here by drawing a little line that's going to curve down. And then right here we're going to draw another line that's going to curve down. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve down and come back up. And I'll do the same thing up here. We're just going to curve this up and then down. Starting here, let's make a little line that's going to go up and down. And then we'll do the same thing underneath it. We're going to go down and up. Next, we're just going to draw two lines that come up. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to come up and down and up. Then we're just going to bring this over. I'm going to do this a few more times just to kind of add some of these little laces onto our football. So we'll just do this right along the top, and then we'll put one more section right here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up. It's going to go right to the laces, and then it's just going to come back down over here. Now let's add a little face on here. I'm going to begin by drawing a circle for an eye. I'm going to leave a lot of space, and then I'll put another circle for an eye over here. I'm going to add a little black dot inside each one. Next, we'll draw a straight line across with a line that's going to come down and up for the mouth. Then we'll draw another little line that comes over here for another tooth. Next, we'll add a little line that curves down for the tongue. Now, the last thing I want to do is right underneath the eyes, I'm going to draw a little skinny rectangle underneath each one just for a little bit of face paint, and we're going to color this in. Then right on top, I'm going to add two little lines for some eyebrows. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little cartoon football. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.